this is, you want to solve for y, and it gives you your x value. So what you're going to do is these x's, you just plug in an x into this equation right here to solve for this y. And then you plug in this x to this x, and this y to this y. So let's solve for y. So first step, plug in the x up here. So you have y plus 4 times, and then the first x, which is -1, equals, and then you have that x squared. So let's get this x, -1, and square it. All right, and then now you solve. What is 4 times -1? -4. Don't forget about that y. So that's -4. And then what is -1 times -1? That is +1. So this is, in other words, we can rewrite this as y minus 4 equals 1. Now you just want to get the y by itself, so you're going to add 4 to both sides. So these cross out, and then what's 4 plus 1? That's 5. And then your y equals 5. So now you're going to plug in your 5 right here. And then your x is -1. They already gave that to you. And the y that you just solved for is 5. So let's do another one, 0. So step 1, I would rewrite the equation, which is you rewrite the equation and you substitute the x value here for any x's you have up here. So let's do that again like we just did. So we're going to have y plus 4 times, and then we're using that x at 0. So 0 equals, and then x squared. So x squared. Oh, we're plugging in, sorry. 0 squared. So 4 times 0 is 0. That's y plus 0. And then you have 0 squared is 0. And then really, you can't, the 0 cancels out basically. So what you're left with is y equals 0. So then you go back up here, and your y value is 0. So your x is 0. They already gave that to you. And the y that we just solved for was 0.